Well, hello, SNHU 107 students, and welcome to your very first focus video from the SNHU 107 learning community. Folks, I'm Melanie Shop, your learning community facilitator, and this week I'm excited to share with you some discussion tips and tricks to help your weekly discussion submissions be amazing. So stay tuned. There are two ways that you can actually access your discussion boards in your SNHU 107 class. The first way is to go underneath course menu and click on discussions, and then you find the week that you want to work on, or you can go underneath the course menu and click on learning modules, find the week that you're working on, and scroll down to find the discussion assignment. Remember, always click the headings because they get you to where you want to go. All right, let's take a look at that very first discussion board for week 1. Remember, once you find your discussion boards, you want to actually click on the weekly assignment and then click on Start a New Thread. That'll allow you to begin your post. You might not have anybody that's posted yet for week 1, and that's okay. Be the first one. Otherwise, you might see some previous posts from your classmates. Check them out and review them. Get to know them. All right, folks, here it is. You've clicked on the week 1 discussion. You want to make sure you type in a quick title for your discussion post, and you'll notice that there is a text box. This is where you can actually write your discussion assignment thoughts and answer the questions from the prompts. Key tip, a lot of students like to use a notes feature or even Microsoft Word to actually type up their discussion assignment and then save it just in case they need it. You are not alone if you're wondering what you should write or even where to get started. The biggest thing you want to make sure you do is actually look at the discussion assignment and make sure you answer all the questions. Share your experiences. Can you relate to the questions? What value can you add to the post? And remember to be yourself. Here for week 1, you're going to introduce yourself. You're going to talk about what ownership means to you. You're going to share a little bit about you. Have some fun with it. Once you've written your post, don't forget a few key things. First and foremost, don't forget to spell check your work. Give it a look over, double check your spelling, double check your grammar, make sure you're capitalizing and using punctuation properly. Also, just do a quick check to make sure you've answered all the questions that are required for that weekly discussion. Once you're all set, don't forget to click post to submit your work. Now, we've gotten you all set with writing that initial discussion post that's due every Thursday by 11:59 p.m. Don't forget that important due date. But what about those peer responses? What do I say to my classmates? First and foremost, be yourself. Share experiences and thoughts that you might have in common with your peers. Make sure you keep it relevant and on topic, plus be appropriate. Make sure you write more than a couple of sentences and get to know your peers. Ask questions. And that's it, folks. See, it's not so hard. Just remember, if you need help or you're stuck, ask. Ask for help. Connect with your instructor, connect with your advisor, or maybe you have some questions about your writing mechanics because it's been a while since you've had to write academically. Reach out to our amazing SNHU writing team located underneath academic support in your Bright Space classroom. At the end of the day, folks, remember, you got this and have an amazing week.